Imagine this, a world where the lines between human intellect and artificial intelligence blur, especially in the high-stakes game of espionage. A sleek spy drone glides silently over a border, an invisible guardian watching over the landscape below. Its sensors mapping every movement below, capturing every detail with unwavering precision. It's not just seeing, it's understanding, analyzing, and reporting all in real time. In the shadows, a trained intelligence officer scans monitors, their eyes darting across multiple screens filled with complex data streams, heart pounding, trying to predict the drone's next move, anticipating threats before they materialize. It's a battle of wits, a high-stakes chess game played out in the digital realm. It's the ultimate face-off, machine versus mind, a clash between algorithms and intuition. Who's really in control? Who holds the upper hand in this intricate dance of surveillance and counter-surveillance? Spy drones today are nothing like the clunky prototypes from the past. They're marvels of engineering, packed with cutting-edge technology and designed for maximum efficiency. Thanks to rapid advances in AI, they can recognize faces, analyze patterns, and even anticipate threats, all in real time. They can sift through mountains of data in seconds, identifying anomalies that would take humans days or even weeks to uncover. Some can fly for hours without a sound, virtually undetectable as they carry out their missions. In the world of military tech, these machines are game changers, reshaping the landscape of modern warfare. But here's the twist. All that power means nothing without someone somewhere making the big decisions. Someone to interpret the data, to weigh the risks, and to ultimately pull the trigger. Human brains bring intuition, creativity, and a gut instinct that no algorithm can match, at least, not yet. It's the ability to connect seemingly unrelated dots, to see beyond the data, and to understand the human element that drives events. Think about it. While a drone can spot a suspicious bag in a crowded square, using its advanced object recognition capabilities, it takes the human to ask, why is it there? What's the story? What are the possible motivations behind it? Let's look at real-world ops. Let's delve into some examples where this interplay between machines and humans has played out in critical situations. In recent years, drone surveillance helped prevent major security threats, acting as a crucial line of defense against potential attacks. In one case, AI flagged a convoy that looked normal to most eyes. The algorithm detected subtle anomalies in the vehicle's movements and formations. But a human analyst noticed a tiny detail, something the AI had overlooked, a specific type of antenna that was out of place. This observation prompted a deeper investigation that saved lives, uncovering a hidden threat that could have had devastating consequences. Machines process data. They excel at speed and efficiency. Humans read between the lines, bringing context and understanding to the information, but the gap is closing, fast. The capabilities of AI are expanding at an exponential rate. With every new update, drones are learning to make more decisions on their own, becoming increasingly autonomous in their operations. Imagine autonomous swarms, hundreds of drones working in perfect harmony, communicating in milliseconds, adapting tactics on the fly, and overwhelming any opposition. It's a future that's both exciting and a little bit terrifying, a world where the power of AI could reshape the very nature of conflict. If machines become too smart, can we still trust them with decisions that shape lives? Can we ensure that they remain aligned with our values and our goals? So who's really in control, the drone or the operator? Is it the machine making the decisions or the human guiding its actions? The answer for now is both. It's a complex interplay of human oversight and artificial intelligence. Human brains set the mission, defining the objectives and establishing the rules of engagement. AI handles the speed and complexity, processing vast amounts of data and executing tasks with unparalleled efficiency. It's a partnership, each side playing to its strengths, working together to achieve a common goal. But as technology races forward, the balance is shifting, and the lines are becoming increasingly blurred. The war of intelligence is evolving, transforming at an unprecedented pace. Will tomorrow's espionage be driven by cold logic or human intuition? Will algorithms replace gut feelings, or will they continue to complement each other? Who do you trust more, a human with all their biases and imperfections, or a machine with its unwavering logic and potential for unforeseen errors? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm eager to hear your perspectives on this complex and rapidly evolving landscape. Machine or mind, the future of intelligence is in your hands. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow.